Trading lesson number 5. How to find a higher probability trade. If lagi kayong nakatingin sa lower time frame, hindi malabong magulo kayo mga master. Dahil masyadong volatile yan, hindi imposibleng magpalit-palit ka ng bias to take long and short position dyan. What I highly recommend is to always zoom out the chart. My primary time frame as a scalper is 15 minutes. If day trader ka naman, always check yung 4 hours bago ka bumaba ng time frame. Ano ba yung lagi kong ginagawa? I always look sa primary time frame only and look for patterns, consolidation na nabubuo. Then maghihintay lang ako ng breakout. And for a higher probability trade, I always wait for pullback, for lowest entry. Sanayin nyo yung mga sarili nyong maging pasensyoso sa market, maghintay lagi ng pullback at saka nyo sundutin. Hindi nyo napapansin sa pagiging impatient trader nyo at atat entry, kaya kayo nasusunugan sa market. Kami, pa-entry pa lang, kayo naman tinamaan na yung stop loss. Kaya I don't advise na nakatitig ka lang sa lower time frame without checking the higher time frame bago kayo mag-trade, and without knowing how to properly use yung time frame analysis. Manginginig ka dyan, lalong-lalo na yung mga bagitong trader na pasok lang ng pasok, aral lang ng aral master. Yung trading course na ginawa natin, halos lahat ng time frame analysis in-explain ko na sa inyo. Always check lahat ng time frame as much as possible to determine kung saan yung possible direction ng market. Kung sideways ba yan bago mo pasukin. Hindi yung papalit-palit ka ng bias kaya ka nagugulo and nagkakaroon ng analysis paralysis and nawawalan ng confident to enter. Ang dami mo kasing hinahanap. Simple time frame analysis lang, you can become a profitable trader master. Kung alam mo gamitin yan, that is your big advantage. Hindi malabong makakupit ka anong oras mo man gustuhin. Sama mo pa yung alam mo tumingin ng mga candlesticks and when to close that candle. It's a big advantage yan, master. This is the reason why I always recommend na mag-aral ka muna ng mabuti. Once ready ka na and enough na yung knowledge mo, money will just follow.